Assalamualaikum everyone. Let's integrate Vue.js using Inertia in our Laravel project. I have already created a Laravel project and let's integrate Vue.js within it using Inertia. So let's go to the Inertia documentation and click on server side. And first of all, we have to install the Inertia Laravel package. So go back to your VS Code editor and paste the command here and press enter. Alright, we have installed our Inertia in our Laravel package, and next we have to make some changes. That is, we have to put these three directives in our root file. So for the simplicity, I am just copying all of this, and Inertia is telling that we have to name the root file as app.blade.php. So let's do that. Go to your VS Code editor, click on resource, views, and let's rename it to app.blade.php. So hit enter. Open up the file and clear everything and copy this code and put here, and we don't have to do anything further. Click on save. Next we have to set up a middleware, so let's create the middleware first. So copy the command and go back to your terminal, paste it. Okay, our middleware has been created, so we have to tag it in our middleware group. If you are using Laravel 11, then you have to put this in bootstrap/app.php file, but I am using Laravel 10, so I'm copying the class namespace from here and I have to put it under app http kernel and middleware group, where it is, this is the middleware groups under web. So I am just adding it here, and make sure to add the backslash and remove the semicolon, put the class, that is, we have to instantiate the class here. All right, we are done with the server side setup, so we have to go to the client side setup. Click on that. Now we are using Vue 3. We want to install Vue 3, so copy it from here, go to your terminal. Let's clear this off. Alright, Inertia.js Vue 3 is installed, and now we have to initiate the app. So copy all of them, and we have to go to our resources JS and an app.js, remove that and put file code. Here we have to understand what is happening. So we are just importing create app from Vue and create Inertia app from Inertia.js Vue 3, and we are resolving the page components here from pages folder. So we have to define folder that is pages, and if we define any component, that is, let's say home.view, let's put this in h4 tag, home component from view. Let's save it. Then it will pick automatically pages from this page directory. So let's see if we miss anything. Oh, we are not missing anything. Let's define a route in our web.php. This is our home route. Let's make a controller. So we have created a page controller. Let's define a function to return the page. Actually, it is page component. Let's define it. We have to return in this way, that is inertia render, and now we have to pass the view file that we put in our page directory. So let's put the name home. Alright, so let's start the server php artisan serve and copy the URL. So we are saying that welcome view is not found. Alright, so we didn't define the route here, so click on that, clear that, and import the page controller, instantiate the class and point the method. So we define the name home, so put it here and let's refresh it, and it is giving that we didn't run our development server. Let's open up and npm run dev. Okay, our build server is running, and now we are getting another error, that is it's saying that we have to install Vue.js Vue plugin. So let's install it, search on that. Okay, we can install it via this command. So copy this command and take another terminal and install it. Alright, so we have installed it, and now we have to configure it in Vue.js. So let's see how we can configure it. So it is saying that we have to import the view, so let's import it from here. And then it is saying that in our plugins we have to define it in our array. So in our plugins we can see we have another plugin, so let's define it here, the comma. Okay, and in Laravel documentation, if we search asset bundling and click on that, and we can see we have to pass a object inside view. Let's pass it from here and click on save, and let's restart the servers again. So kill the terminal server and npm run dev, so restart it. Let's restart the Laravel server php artisan serve. Alright, so let's go to our page. Yes, we can see that our home component from Vue is here. So we can easily set up our Vue.js tagging with Inertia in our existing Laravel project in this way.